Okay, so this video is teaching you about adverbs and how we make those in French. And we use adverbs to describe how we do verbs. In English, most adverbs of manner are end in ly, but in French, adverbs generally end in ment. And here's some examples. Tu parles calmement. You're speaking calmly. Nous étudions sérieusement. We're studying seriously. J'attends patiemment. I'm waiting patiently. So those are all adverbs describing how we're doing the verbs. Most adverbs are formed by using the adjectives, which is why we're learning this now. And the formula is generally the feminine form of the adjective plus ment. Par exemple, normal, we change it, the book will always give you the masculine singular form. You change it to the feminine, and then you add ment. Normalement, normally. Calme, well, because calm always ends in an e, we don't have to change it because it's the same, and we add ment. Calmement. So we start with the masculine singular form, we change it to the feminine adjective, and then we add ment. Sérieuse becomes sérieusement. Active becomes activement. Naturel, masculine, change to the feminine adjective and add ment. Très simple, very easy. So now we have naturellement, naturally. So that is the general rule for making adverbs in French. We go to the feminine form of the adjective and add ment. But as you know about French by now, there's always exceptions. So when the adjective, the masculine singular adjective, ends in an I or an E accent aigu, it's derived from the masculine form. And a good example of that is poli. So because it already ends in a vowel here, poliment, we just add ment. Spontané, because it ends in E accent aigu, we just add ment. Adverbs based on ordinal numbers just follow the regular pattern. So if we were going to say firstly, or first of all, or second of all, secondly, we would just take the feminine form of the number, première, premièrement, deuxième, deuxièmement, secondly. Two more exceptions. Adjectives which end in ant change to ament, like élégant. You take off the ant and you add amment. And adjectives that end in ent, you take off the ent and you add emment. Par exemple, patient changes to patiemment, patiently.